What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this Subaru Impreza here. This is a 2014 model. As you can see, I got the fuse box cover out. This cover goes right here, so that's how it goes in. And the problem we was having was the AC was not engaging. Okay, what I did was I did open this cap up right here, and you heard the pressure in there. So you can push on that little valve inside. Just be careful with your face. And if you have pressure, and that means your AC should be working, but the problem here was not that there wasn't any pressure, because the system will not engage because it needs a pressure. So it has pressure. If you come over here, it's a common problem on most of the cars. You open up this fuse box. All you do is you push on this tab and this tab. This guy just opens right up. And inside this box, you will see it says AC relay right there in the bottom, all the second relay, okay? That's the middle relay right there. Right there, it says AC relay. So if you look at this sitting just like that, once you take it apart, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This relay right here, I changed this clean looking one. I changed this one. All you do is you grab this, pull it up, buy a new relay, put it back in, okay? And AC should kick in if that was the issue. So it's a common problem on these cars. So small little AC relay, what it does is it gives it power to the AC compressor. The computer engages it, disengages it, and that's all it does is controls the relay, which controls the power to the clutch, okay, the magnet clutch. So once that clicks in, you should have power here, okay? You should have power at this cable. You could test it. You can pull out this connector. If you do not have power, you want to diagnose a little bit further. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to check other things on your vehicle. It could be such as a low AC pressure. Look what they did to this car. I think this customer used to go to like a local shop. So it's always a good idea to do your own oil change. And that looks crazy. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.